Hey everybody, what's up? This is Imran from the Biker Crew UAE. Thanks for joining me. Now, a few weeks ago, I posted a video of a whole bunch of us on track at the Dubai Autodrome. And I told you at the end of the video that I would show you guys how I took a 2010 road-going R6 and converted it into a track bike. Now, all this was done DIY in my buddy's garage. So over the next few episodes, I'm going to show you guys how we accomplished that. While I have your attention, please do hit that subscribe button. A little bit goes a long way to help out the channel. It's day one of the track bike build, and I'm gonna take these boxes of parts over to my buddy Brad's place where we're gonna be building the bike. So it's time to get this thing started. Next stop, Brad's house. Day two of the track bike build, and we're gonna be moving the R6 from my house here to my buddy Brad's place. And with help from Phillip and his Jeep and his trailer. You find me en route to Brad's place, where we're going to take that 2011 R6 and turn it into a track machine.
Fuel lights on, is it?
Yeah, fuel lights on. No, it's not. Yeah, it was on.
It's got a misfire.
Yeah.
So what? It's got quite a bad misfire.
Right folks, now all the parts are in one place. Next time, we start deconstruction. Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.